Good day, everyone. I'm Joseph Angelo V. Fernandez from Automotive Servicing NC1, and I am tasked to give a tribute message to all the teachers here in General Santos City. General Santos National School of Arts and Trades. So, good day. Today we celebrate one of the noblest professions in the world, the teaching profession. Here in General Santos National School of Arts and Trades, our teachers are more than instructors. They are builders of skills, givers of wisdom, and shapers of character. They do not only train our hands, but also guide our hearts and minds. Teachers, you are the ones who remind us that education is not just about memorizing lessons, but about preparing for life. You push us to be disciplined, to be excellent, and to believe in ourselves, even when we doubt. Truly, without you, the tools and machines around us would just remain tools. But because of your guidance, they become instruments for building our future. Pero of course, usahay teachers, murag patience testing contest pod ang inyong trabaho. Imagine ninyo, magtudlo mo nga ang estudyante kay murag cellphone nga walay signal. Lisod kayo makasabot sa instruction. Pero bisan pa ni ana, kamo gihapon ang nagpadayon og tudlo hangtod nga mo connect rami sa lesson. Kung among IQ usahay kay murag low battery, kamo gyud ang among charger. O kung ang among tubag sa exam kay murag multiple choice nga wrong tanan, kamo gihapon ang mo smile og moingon, next time you can do better. Mao gyud na tinuod nga dedication. That's why teachers, we celebrate you today. You are our mentors, our motivators, and our life coaches. If there is such a thing as TESDA NC5, kamo gyud ang certified, because your patience, sacrifice, and love for teaching have no limits. On behalf of the students of JS NSA, we thank you for everything. We promise to carry your lessons not only to pass our assessments, but to build our careers, uplift our families, and make a difference in society. And before I end this speech, allow me to give a special tribute to one teacher who has greatly influenced us in our journey here in GSNSAT. Our Automotive Servicing NC1 teacher, Sir Eliseo B. Ardaniel. Sir, daghang kayong salamat sa imong pasensya ug paggiya sa amoa. You did not only teach us how to perform periodic maintenance, check engines, or follow proper servicing steps. You also taught us how to be responsible, disciplined, and hardworking individuals. Kung sa makina pa sir, ikaw gyud ang among master mechanic. Kay kung usahay among knowledge murag nag-overheat, ikaw ang naghatag og coolant. Kung among focus murag low oil pressure, ikaw ang nag-remind nga kinahanglan gyud ampingan ang makina aron dili maguba. O kung ang among motivation murag drained battery, ikaw gihapon ang naghatag og jump start. Sir, you have shown us automotive servicing is not just about fixing cars. It is also about fixing our mindset, our discipline, and our attitude towards life. Mabitaw nga proud tayo mi nga ikaw ang among teacher. Because we know nga ang imong tinuod nga goal, dili lang kami makalabay sa NC1 assessment, kundi mahimong mas maayong tao. So on this Teacher's Day, for all teachers here, we want to sincerely say, thank you for your hard work, your patience, and your dedication. We salute you not only as instructors, but as mentors and motivators. Happy Teacher's Day sa tanang teachers diri sa General Santos National School of Arts and Trades. May you continue to inspire more students, and may God bless you always. Daghang salamat.
Good morning sa tanan.